Yes. Your given question is, your question first is, find the square root of 5776 by using prime factorization method and long division method. Okay, you have to find out. Please do it fast.
सर यहाँ पे दिक्कत हो रही है
5776 first. 5776 by prime factorization method. Prime factorization method.
डिवाइड ही नहीं हो रहा बाद में किसी से ऐसा नहीं तब भी
Listen. 2 2 are 4, 1 2 8 are 16, 1 2 8 are 16 and 2 8 are 16. Okay, यही ना? 2 2 are 4, 1 remainder, 2 8 are 16, then remainder 1, 2 8 are 16, remainder again 1, 2 8 are 16. And are any problems? Okay, yes. 2 1s are 2 4s are 2 4s are 2 4s are next 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 2 2s are yes, next 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 1, next 19 19 19 1 से 19 का स्क्वायर नहीं है भाई, स्क्वायर ऑफ 19 नहीं, स्क्वायर ऑफ 19 yes. Now square root of 5776 yes, 2 into next 2 into 2 into 19 into 19 yes. Oh sorry
सर परफेक्ट स्क्वायर
हैं yes, it becomes 2 into 2 into 19 4 into 19 76 okay. Any doubt, any problems? सब कुछ हो गया, कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है? यस, ऊपर करना है, स्क्रॉल अप ओके. अब देखिए, नाउ सेकंड इज योर लॉन्ग डिवीजन मेथड ओके. Yes. Now 5776. हम क्या करते हैं लॉन्ग डिवीजन मेथड में, फ्रॉम राइट एंड वी विल मेक द ग्रुपिंग ऑफ 2 numbers. 7 6 first grouping, 5 7 second grouping. Now count the perfect square numbers. 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 4 4s are 5 5s are 6 6s are 7 7s are 8 8s are 8 8s are अधिक हो गए ना, that is greater than 57, so 7 7s are 49. Okay, 7 7s are. Now it becomes 8 76. 7 2s are 14. 7 is a 14. Count the table of 14 such that which is not more than 87. 6. 14 6 are 6 6 are 6 6 are 36. 3 40 6 are 84 or 3 87. Remainder is 0. 6. That is 5776 is equal to 76. Yes. 8 out of problems. तो देखिए समझ में आए? समझ में आए? हैं? चलो अच्छी बात. Yes, do the next part. Find the square root of 3136. Find the square root of 3136. 136 by first is prime factorization method. Yes. And second one is by long division method. Okay, wait first. Question number first, 3136. Okay, this is the number. We have to find out the square root by prime factorization method as well as long division method. Okay, yes, 3136. Yes, now 2 ones are 2 fives are 10. 1 remainder 2 6 are 2 8 are 16. No doubt. 2 ones are 2, 1 remainder 2 fives are 10, 1 remainder 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16. Yes. 2 sevens are
14,
2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6,
2 4,
2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. Okay. 2 9s are 18 and 2 2s are 4. Yes. Next is 2. 2 1s are 2 9s are 18. 2 6s are 2 9s are 18. 2 8s are 16. 49. 7 sevens are
49,
yes. Now 3136. 3136. That is 2, 2, 2, and 7 and 7. Okay. 2, it becomes 2, it becomes 2, it becomes 2, and it becomes 7. Okay. Yes. 2 are 4, 4 to the 8, 8 7 are 56. Okay. Square root is 56. Square root is 56. Okay. You can write such as square root of 3136. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Yes.
7,
7. Okay. Wait. Yes. that is 3. That is 7 into 7.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now it becomes 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. 8 into 7. That is 56. Okay. Yes.
Sir, long division करना है। Sir, आपको क्या करना था?
Any doubt? Any problems?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we will do it by long division method. Long division method. 3136. Yes. Grouping from the end. That is 31. 5 5s are
25.
636. 5 2s are 10. 10 into 6. 36 into 6. That is 6. Okay. Now square root of 3136. That is 56. Any doubt? Any problems?
No, sir.
समझ में आया कि नहीं आया?
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया? दादा समझ में आया?
No, sir.
Exercise 6.4. Question number 6. Yes. Find the length of side of a square whose area is. Length of side of a square whose area is 441 meter square. ABCD is a square whose area is 441 meter square given है. We will consider the side of square is A. If it is A, it is also A. It is also A. It is also A. Okay. Let length of side of a square be. Let length of side of a square. Let length of side of a square be a centimeter. A मीटर है सेंटीमीटर है मीटर है ना and area of square ABCD will be side into side a square. Area of square ABCD, that is 441 meters, and area of square A into A. A into A square 440. Taking square root on both sides we get. Taking square root on both sides. On both sides we get. Okay. Yes. Square root and square root. Okay. Square root of A. Square root of A. A. A square. इसका मतलब क्या था square root 1/2. ये cancel out. Now 441. 441 can be written as 441 can be written as yes 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. Do it. 441. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. 1. 3 fours are 12. 3 sevens are 21. 3 fours are 12. 3 nines are 27. 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7 sevens are 49. 7 ones are 7. Okay, yes. 3 into 3, 7 into 7. 21 centimeter. So length of side of a square is 21 centimeter. So length of side of a square is 21 centimeter. So length of side of a square, that is A, 21
मीटर होगा सर, मीटर।
okay मीटर
यस सर, मीटर है।
okay
441 मीटर।
21 मीटर 21 है
मीटर
मीटर। मीटर 21 मीटर। Do it.